I suffer from hair loss and dry, brittle hair. The Hibernation Method has been amazing at transforming my hair so that it's thicker and more hydrated. So let's just get into it.
Our hair care routine demands a special kind of attention too. You've probably heard the standard advice: moisturize, avoid heat styling, wear a hat. Let's go beyond the basics. Today, we're diving deep into the science. Now, for the pièce de la résistance, the Hibernation Method. So the Hibernation hair method is designed to tackle those all too common wink breakage, dry scalp, dullness. The method consists of 4 simple steps: scalp revival, intensive moisture therapy plus lock-in, structural reinforcement, and nutrition. And the pillar running through all of these steps is, yes, it's going into hibernation. So no heat styling. I know, I'm sorry, please don't kill me. Step 1, we start at the base, your scalp. It's like hitting the reset button, waking up your scalp like, cuckoo, anyone home? We're going to exfoliate gently with a soft brush or a scalp rescue massage brush like the one from Bia, or homemade scrubs or clarifying shampoos or salicylic acid. Really want to experiment to see which one works for you, and you should be doing this at least once a week. Step 2, intensive moisture therapy and hydration. Think of it as a thirst quenching mega moisturizing drink for your hair, followed by a lock-in move to seal that moisture deep within the hair. This involves steam conditioning, using a hair steamer to open up the hair cuticle for deep conditioning. For those without a steamer, you can try the baggying method, which just means applying conditioner in your hair and covering your hair with a shower cap, a hot towel, the cling film, and then a hat on top. If you have like one of those steamers just to steam your hair, add your favorite hair oil, to this method for the strands and scalp. I obviously use the Super Roots oil. Next, step 3, structural reinforcement. So DIY masks are a must. This one is super hydrating and helps to reinforce the structure of the strands. Since hair is primarily made of protein, like keratin, protein treatments can help repair and strengthen the hair shaft. Products with keratin, collagen, or silk amino acids are really beneficial. So check this out. You will need 1 ripe banana for elasticity. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, all of which help softening the hair and protects its natural elasticity. This prevents breakage and split ends, and it contributes to stronger hair. 2 tablespoons of honey. It's a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is crucial in winter when hair tends to lose moisture quickly, and it prevents from becoming dry and brittle. Its antioxidant properties also contribute to a healthy scalp, promoting stronger hair growth. You'll need 2 tablespoons of the Super Roots oil or an oil of your choice. This one has a blend of 17 organic, cold pressed oils rich in nutrients that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, providing nourishment. It also helps to repair damage and strengthen hair. You'll want half an avocado. Avocados are loaded with vitamins A, D, E, and B6, along with proteins, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, gosh, the list goes on, and healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for hair growth. You want to mash the banana and avocado until smooth. You don't want any lumps in there. Mix in the honey and the oil thoroughly. Add your coconut milk for extra creaminess and hydration, and apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the ends, and cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse out with your sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. This mask is perfect for nourishing and hydrating dry, brittle hair. The banana and honey are natural moisturizers, while the Super Roots oil adds a blend of vitamins and nutrients essential for healthy hair. So using these treatments, you want to use them sparingly to avoid protein overload, which can make hair brittle. Again, everyone is unique. You see what works for you. Now, step 4, hibernation nutrition. So probably the most important one of all. You know those cute snowy animals that need to eat a lot and store it for the winter? Well, that's going to be us. We have to feed our hair from the inside. So hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin, and consuming adequate protein is vital for strong, healthy hair. So you want to include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and nuts. I'd recommend drinking this super hair growth smoothie. It's my own concoction based on the knowledge of hair structure and the building blocks it needs to grow strong and healthy, so it can fight off any cold. I will list the ingredients in the description. Now, here's the kicker. The core of this whole method is embracing hair hibernation. That means we're taking a break from heat styling. I know, please. All right, you done. Let your hair rest or recover and regain its natural beauty. So remember, no heat, give your hair a break. That's leaving your hair to air dry, drying on a low temperature, using heatless curls, and using the curly girl method for all my type 2, 3, and 4 girls, or just cutting down on how much you straighten your hair. If you've liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out my How to Beat Hair Loss playlist next.